Caraca. Ehi, sprosti gata. Hai nero, sedus.
Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. When climbing steep slopes, log trucks face the risk of losing momentum or sliding backward if the road is too slippery. The driver must stay in a low gear to maintain traction and carefully control the throttle to prevent the wheels from spinning in place. On steep inclines, trucks may need to ascend in a zigzag pattern instead of going straight up, reducing the effective slope and improving grip. If the incline is too steep or the soil is too soft, a bulldozer or another truck may need to push from behind for assistance. In some cases, the driver might have to reduce the load, making multiple smaller trips to ensure safety. If the truck starts sliding backward, emergency brakes and wheel chocks made of wood or rocks can help prevent a dangerous descent. When log trucks travel through forest roads during the rainy season, the road surface becomes muddy and slippery. The wheels can sink deep into thick mud, causing the truck to lose traction. Sometimes, the wheels spin without moving forward, forcing the driver to use a winch or seek help from a bulldozer to escape the mud pit. Deep mud sections often have ruts formed by previous trucks, making it difficult for following vehicles to stay on track. The driver must constantly adjust the steering wheel to maintain balance and avoid slipping sideways. If the mud is too thick, reducing tire pressure or using chain tires can improve grip. Forest roads often have sharp turns, with narrow paths and no guardrails. When approaching a turn, the driver must slow down early and steer gradually to prevent the truck from tipping over.
Ehi, sprosti gata. Hai nero, sedus. Ah, sei băieți.
On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. The sharp metallic scream cuts through the stillness, scattering birds into the sky. Trees that have stood for decades, even centuries, now begin to lean under the saw's rhythm, crashing to the ground with a deep, echoing thud. The chainsaw blade meets the dry wood surface, then plunges inward with sudden force. A screeching sound erupts, high and metallic, like a steel horn. Layers of wood are torn apart, sawdust flinging into the air and swirling like pale dust in the wind. The chainsaw doesn't hesitate. It presses forward steadily, its motor deepening in tone with every centimeter. The rotating chain moves like a relentless machine, slicing through the dense grain of the wood. A rhythmic roar pulses like a mechanical heartbeat, occasionally punctuated by sharp clack-clack sounds when striking hard knots. The blade leaves behind a smooth, deep groove, and light smoke rises from the heated wood, carrying a faint charred scent, raw and earthy. A crisp crack rings out as the wood begins to split. The chainsaw keeps spinning, as if urging the break to complete. Thick sawdust flies in the heated air, veiling the surroundings in a golden haze. The freshly exposed wood is brighter, smoother, with swirling grain patterns. Chainsaws allow users to cut trees, branches, or large logs much faster than manual saws. Thanks to their powerful motors and sharp chains, they can complete tasks in minutes that would otherwise take hours. This makes them essential in forestry, construction, and post-storm cleanup. Chainsaws are heavy and generate intense vibrations. If the operator lacks strength or works on uneven ground, they may lose control, drop the saw, or accidentally cut themselves. Prolonged exposure to vibrations may also lead to hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS, causing numbness and long-term hand damage. Bulldozers are used to remove large trees or fallen trunks. With a sturdy steel blade and a powerful engine, they can flatten an entire area in a short time, making logging and transportation easier. Some models are even equipped with rippers to shred tree trunks before pushing them aside, minimizing further processing efforts. Not every tree in the forest can be harvested for commercial timber. Some are hollow, decayed due to pests, or have irregular shapes unsuitable for cutting. Instead of leaving them to take up space and obstruct operations, modern machinery is used to quickly remove them, clearing the way for more valuable trees. Tree grinders are designed to destroy worthless logs. High-speed rotating blades strip off the bark and grind the inner wood into sawdust or wood chips. Large-scale grinders can process an entire tree within minutes, turning it into reusable material for industries like fertilizer, compressed wood, or biofuel. While grinders and bulldozers efficiently remove unusable trees, caution is needed to avoid damaging valuable ones. Additionally, the use of heavy machinery must be managed properly to prevent negative impacts on the environment and forest ecosystems. A wood chipper is a specialized machine used to process excess wood, branches, and logs into small pieces for various purposes. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, it can quickly shred wood into chips or sawdust, maximizing the utilization of forest resources. When wood is fed into the machine, the cutting blades spin at high speed, slicing it into small pieces. These wood chips are then propelled through the discharge chute by a fan, ready for use. This continuous process ensures fast and efficient wood processing. Wood chipper, fast wood processing, reducing labor. White heavy checkmark saves storage space by minimizing wood waste. White heavy checkmark maximize resource utilization, prevent waste. White heavy checkmark wide range of applications in many different industries. Wood chippers are essential in the wood processing industry, maximizing resource utilization and improving production efficiency. With advanced technology, these machines are helping increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Let's appreciate every piece of wood, use resources wisely, and ensure sustainability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you in the next journey.